for folks watching, our viewers, do you need an attorney to file for bankruptcy? And yes or no on that? And do you have to go to court? Do you have to show up in court?
Yes, you do. Well, first of all, you can file what we call by yourself, pro se. The problem, I think, is that Chapter 7s can be fairly simple or they can be very difficult, and we don't know your individual situation, and you won't know everything about your individual situation unless you get an analysis by a professional. You may think that it's just a simple case and there could be all kinds of twists and turns in it, but we do see people over there in the Chapter 7 court filing. As far as the Chapter 13 payment plan is concerned, that is extremely difficult. We see a couple of people over there, but every time somebody has tried to do it, it's been somebody who's been there several times, 3 or 4 times trying to get it done, and yes, they have to come to court, and it becomes very difficult.
So you need someone like yourself that has the expertise, because you can get in way over your head. Well, talk about, I guess, Ken, your thoughts on how do you find an attorney if you're, no matter your situation, just in general, if you need to find an attorney for whatever you're dealing with.
Yeah,
what's
well,
the best way?
it's a big question mark, I think, for a lot of people that don't know attorneys. You know, what I say, first I would start, you know, the folks that we have on this show, I would start there. We have people on in the various areas of law that we consider to be qualified, who we have our trust in. So I would start there. You can get that information from myfoxal.com. Just hit our law call website. But also your local attorney, if they did your will, or if they did a previous bankruptcy for you, or if they did, you know, whatever it was. Try that local attorney, because they can refer you to somebody who specializes or focuses their practice on what you need, and is somebody that they know their qualifications and that they trust. So that's where I recommend people start and end.
Okay. Well, we've